Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Learning Room. This is first lecture of our new series Crash Course in Syntax. In this lecture, we will introduce the fundamentals of syntax. We will explore the meaning of the term syntax, understand what syntax is, and discuss why it is an essential branch of linguistics. By the end of this lecture, you will have a solid foundation for the topics covered throughout this crash course in syntax. Can you give me answer of this question that how does our brain arrange words into meaningful sentences? The answer lies in syntax. It is the system that tells us how words combine to form meaningful sentences. Syntax is the branch of linguistics that studies how words are arranged to form phrases, clauses, and sentences according to the grammatical rules of a language. In simple words, syntax is the set of rules, principles, and processes that govern the structure of sentences in a given language, usually including word order. These set of rules are different from language to language. Now let's learn some historical fact about syntax. The word syntax comes from Greek language. In Greek language, syn means together and taxis means arrangement, meaning arrangement together, then connect this meaning with language, and it became word arrangement together. In English language, it was started to use in late 16th century as syntax. Many people confuse grammar and syntax all the time. They think it is the same thing, but there is significant difference between the two. Grammar is the overall system of rules governing a language. Grammar is a broader term. It includes phonology, sometimes considered separate depending on framework, morphology, syntax, semantics, and sometimes pragmatics. Whereas syntax is one subset of grammar that specifically deals with sentence structure, the arrangement of words and phrases to create well-formed sentences, although both deal with the rules and structures of language. They determine most results about what the sentence seeks to convey. This simple comparison table explains their differences clearly. Grammar is the system of rules that governs the structure of a language, including both words and sentences. It encompasses various components such as morphology and syntax, along with other aspects of language. As a broader discipline, grammar covers multiple areas and provides the framework for using a language correctly. In traditional language teaching, grammar is often prescriptive in nature, as it establishes rules for what is considered standard or correct usage. Whereas syntax is the branch of linguistics that studies the rules governing the structure of sentences. It focuses on how words are arranged to form phrases, clauses, and sentences according to the grammatical rules of a language. Unlike grammar, syntax deals specifically with phrase and sentence structure and word order. In modern linguistics, syntax is primarily descriptive in nature, as it seeks to explain how speakers actually use language rather than prescribe how they should use it. Syntax is one component of the broader system of grammar. Prescriptive and descriptive are two different approaches to studying language. This distinction is fundamental in linguistics, especially when discussing grammar and syntax.
The prescriptive approach to language tells speakers how they should use a language by establishing rules of correctness and standard usage. It distinguishes between forms that are considered correct and incorrect, according to established grammatical conventions. This approach is commonly used in schools, language teaching, grammar books, style guides, and formal writing because it aims to maintain a standard variety of the language and promote consistency in communication.
The descriptive approach to language explains how people actually use a language in real-life communication. Rather than judging language as correct or incorrect, it observes and analyzes the patterns that speakers naturally follow. This approach recognizes that different dialects, varieties, and contexts may have their own grammatical systems and usage patterns. It is widely used in modern linguistics and language research because its primary goal is to understand and describe language as it naturally exists. Grammar has prescriptive approach, as it establishes rules about what is considered correct in language system. For examples, this is the rule of grammar that do not end a sentence with a preposition. According to this rule, the sentence, "To whom are you talking?" is correct sentence, and "Who are you talking to?" is wrong sentence. A descriptive approach observes how native speakers naturally use their language without judging whether it is right or wrong. For example, most native speakers say, "Who are you talking to?" A descriptive linguist simply notes, native speakers commonly end sentences with prepositions. No judgment is made. Now we will talk about the characteristics of syntax. In modern linguistics, syntax is primarily descriptive in nature, as it seeks to explain how speakers actually use language rather than prescribe how they should use it. Syntax is a rule-governed and systematic component of language that determines how words are organized to form meaningful phrases, clauses, and sentences. It follows predictable grammatical patterns, although these patterns differ from one language to another. Despite relying on a finite set of grammatical rules, syntax enables speakers to produce and understand an infinite number of sentences. Furthermore, it expresses the grammatical relationships between words, allowing speakers to communicate ideas clearly and effectively. Syntax analyzes language through a hierarchy of structural levels: word, phrase, clause, and sentence. Words serve as the fundamental units of syntax and combine according to grammatical rules to form phrases. Phrases function as constituents within clauses, while clauses combine to create sentences that convey complete meanings. This hierarchical organization demonstrates how increasingly complex linguistic structures are built from simpler ones, making syntax essential for understanding sentence formation and grammatical relationships. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next lecture. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comment section. I'd be happy to answer them. Your feedback really matters to us, so let us know whether these lectures are helpful and how we can make them even better. Your room to learn is just a click away. Like and subscribe today.